Hello everyone, a warm welcome from Mr. Jenor Miskita. As a member of Samarpit Kalamandal, right now in this Zoom conference we have three eminent personalities, and to be with you all, it's really my pleasure. The director of our group, Mr. Errol Dawson, who has a small little business of his own and who is a trainer in Photography Institute. So I welcome you, Mr. Errol Dawson. Then we have with us Miss Rosie Lopez, who conducts online lectures and guides students online. So I welcome you, Miss Rosie Lopez.
Thank you.
Hi, Rosie.
Then we have Mr. Anish Pereira, who is an really supporting person in our group Samarpit Kalamandal. Is an art director and he works with airlines. So it's a really great to have all three of us in this conference. So let us begin.
And
Yes.
General sir, what about you?
Yes, sir, definitely. I teach in college. I handle students from 11th to 15th, and my favorite language that I teach, that is English. So being in this group has given me a lot of exposure to the digital world, you can say. So this part, as the Zoom conference, is also a kind, you can say, a digital platform for displaying the talents. So now let us start with our great personality of the group, Mr. Errol Dawson, the director. You being involved in a lot of activities in and out, what inspired you, sir, to start with this group, Samarpit Kalamandal? Can you share?
First of all, I'd like to thank all of y'all for coming on our channel. Thank you, General sir, Rosie, and Anish. When I came to Vasai, I saw there were a lot of mandals, there were a lot of groups. And these groups would only meet once a year for some kind of function, for some kind of programs. But I wanted to start something different, something with a difference. In Samarpit Kalamandal is a group with a difference. Now when I say the word difference, I would like to explain it. In this group, first of all, we have people from different walks of life. We have people who are youth, we have people who are working, and also some of us who are retired. Secondly, there are the topics that we deal with also are a plethora of ideas we have social problems. So General sir, thank you so much for having me in this Samarpit Kalamandal. The Samarpit Kalamandal is a group with a difference. In this group, General sir, we have people from different walks of life. Some are working and some are retired. And this is a group where everybody feels at home. In this group, we take up different kinds of topics. Topics like social awareness. We'll take topics of different faiths. And we also have some amount of entertainment. So I would say it's a complete package, unlike other groups. What inspired me to start this group was that I wanted people of different groups to join this group, people of different age groups to join this group, and I'm very happy. I'm very happy that we have people who are in this group from different walks of life, different age groups, and that's my biggest. And you, young, energetic, enthusiastic youth, are my source of inspiration. That's it.
Really great, sir. The group that you have started is indeed doing awesome works, and today it is gaining a lot of popularity. So really a hats off to you for starting this wonderful group. Now we turn towards...
General sir, all of us share in this. It's not me alone. All of you are a part of this.
Exactly. It's a part, but still, then, like, you inspired us, and so we are a part of it. So it's a main credit that goes to you, after all. Then we
I'm so
have.
humbled to hear this from you.
Thank you, sir. So now we turn towards Miss Rosie Lopez, as she being the youth member of our group. She has a lot of experience to share with us. So let us hear from her. So
Thank you so much, Genold, for giving me this beautiful opportunity to be here on the Zoom conference and making me share my experience. So, as I was part of our church youth group for many years, I was always into plays, dramas, social activities, and community outreach program. And now during this lockdown, everything had come to an end, and I was still searching a platform for me where I could continue everything that I was doing in my past days. And when I came to know about this particular group, Samarpit Kala Mandal, and when I went and saw their different YouTube videos, and I had a chat with a few of my friends, I came to know that the group has a holistic approach towards life. The group has holding a positive approach even during these lockdown days, and it is a combination of professional plays, dramas, community outreach programs, social service. And when I saw that their plays are taking up really socially important messages, giving and perspective where we think about the problems differently, and drama makes it very easy to reach out to people, and every platform which the group would use, the group was using it. And I also came across that we talk a lot about communal harmony, secularism, which has taught me to maintain a social, cultural, and a religious balance in life. The beauty of the group, as the director said, is we all come from different age groups, different backgrounds, different cultures. Though we all are Catholic, we come from different parishes, and there is a lot to learn. Every single person in the group is differently talented, and which makes me do things even more better in my life. So this group has inspired me that staying at home, I can socially connect to people any which ways. And I would also want to put this forward that with this group, I know that not only my talents are going to be explored, but as a person, as my personality will definitely become a little more better. I can do more better things in life. I would just take 1 minute extra of yours and would put in this. But what really liked me was during the Holy Week, as I saw the videos, during the Holy Week, even when we couldn't go to church, we couldn't do our normal rituals that we actually did. Everybody in the group did something towards the old age people, their grandfathers or grandmothers in the house. They helped them doing the day-to-day activities. So this was a completely a practical approach towards life. Every year we just think about the theory, we go to church, we pray and all. But this was something that we put our words into action. That was really nice of the group. And the way of the cross that everybody did from their own houses, it was almost like we all coming together and doing it. So thank you so much, everybody, for giving this wonderful journey, encouraging, inspiring, and being socially connected while social distancing. So thank you. Be home, be safe, keep doing good things because everything is getting online. So yeah, thank you for having me here once again. Thank you, everybody.
definitely, really fantastic, Rosie. As you said, the statement that really impressed me. Drama makes us to reach a lot of people. So really, our group has also performed with two professional plays till now. First one, Nate Samanda Peksha Satbara Mahan, and the next one, which is right now currently into progress, Arpito Ami Prabhula. So we are trying to reach majority of the audience in a group. So wishing all the very best for each one of us for the same thing, and really very nice to get your insights and your experience to our audience.
Thank you.
Thank you once again. Now we go towards next personality, that is Mr. Anish Pereira, who is an art director of the group. So, Anish, what do you think that how do you maintain your personal and professional life along with which the holistic development is maintained? How is it possible for you?
Okay, so being into like multitasking phase, I work in an airport area. I work for the airport, and then I do my other stuffs. It was like it is not an easy job to do both, and then you have a passion to to lead, and it's like coming back from home, and then you have to learn something about your passion is what really motivated me. Like I have this passion for editing videos and making new videos, and I have a channel. So Mr. Errol, the director of Samarpit Kala Mandal, he came to me and he's like, I know you act in your videos. You know what? I would like to take you in my group. Be a part of this group. I was very honored to be a part of this big group, and it was a dream to do some theaters. And like, thank you so much, Mr. Errol, for first of all recognizing me and then making me a part of this group. And
But Anish,
yeah.
I want to just intervene here. We first met at the gym, right?
Yes, we met at the gym. That's the main hub. That's the main hub. So that's the main hub. So the thing is, it's all started with fitness. Like I go to gym, and then I met Mr. Errol there, and from there we started becoming good friends, and then we started exchanging our ideas and how and when what should we do, and then I became a part of this group, and I'm really proud to be a part of this really good group where there are people from different parishes, different areas, having different talent and coming together and showcasing their talents, and giving some good messages to the community. And yeah, and even Mr. Errol told me that, will you edit our videos for the this group? I was like, yeah, like it's my passion to do editing, and I love to make create videos. I'm like, yeah, why not? And then I started doing all this editing work, and learning makes a man perfect. That's how I am into this, my passion, acting and video editing. And so now talking about holistic fitness. So being a fitness freak, you can say, I got into this when I was very skinny and very thin, and then people used to bully me and say a lot of things, and then I took it very seriously. I took it in a motivate way, and then I started gymming, and then I started working out, and today I have gained a lot of good muscle weight, and today most people are asking me for some tips. That is a very big change. And being in a lockdown period, how fitness has been affected. If I talk like that, then you can do a home workout, you can do meditation, you can do yoga. There are a lot of things you can do at home with your simple equipment that you have at your home, or you can without equipment. Not a big deal. And Mr. Errol, I met him, like I said, I met him in the gym. So even he is a fitness freak. He knows how to stay fit in this, how to keep your mind calm and disciplined and stable, right? Fitness helps you in a lot of ways. And today, if I talk about mental fitness, which is very important, mental fitness. So people should do like meditation for some time in a peaceful environment, right?
Yes.
They should talk to their parents first if they have any problems, any kind of disturbance, depression, some negativity coming around them. They should first talk to their parents. Parents are the
Yes.
first people who will help them, and then their friends will come. We can't depend on our friends. We should first depend on our parents.
Yes.
People forget that. People really forget that. And yeah, people should not take it very lightly. in terms of any aspects, if I say, because mental health is very important, because it can affect like your whole life, if I tell you. Even if you're like earning a lot, even if you're doing a lot of work, that doesn't matter. It will like affect your life to the fullest. What do you think, Mr. Aaron?
Yeah, of course. I also believe in this. You should have a balanced personality.
Right.
A balanced personality is very important in today's time. You see certain tragedies that are happening in our society. You see so many things that are happening. So as Anish said that we all must strive towards holistic personality. There should be certain amount of meditation, there should be certain amount of spirituality, prayer in your life. You should have some amount of social interaction with people. You should have good friends. You should go around, go for some parties or go for some get-togethers. You should interact with people. Also, you should have some kind of physical activity. So when you put all this thing together, then you say the person is holistic. He has a holistic personality. Emotionally, you should be strong.
Yes.
So I support what Anish is saying. Yes, I guess it's.
I feel people should focus on their passion more.
Yes.
They should put like give time for their passion. They should be in that zone, so that they will not fall in the bad zone.
Definitely.
I
Yes.
feel where people lack.
Really. Anish, the way that what you have explained, really the youngsters will really get advantage from it, as to maintain your personal as well as your professional life.
And Mr. Janol, thank you so much for this opportunity. I like to say, and Mr. Arol, thank you so much.
It's my pleasure. You all three of
Yeah.
them getting
But,
involved in this.
Anish, I want to say even Janold is our gym friend. Janold is also into gymming nowadays. Right?
Actually,
Janol is a multitasking, multi-talented guy. Like he's a fantastic actor. If I tell you,
He's a fantastic actor.
He's a fantastic actor. Like
No
I have
doubt.
seen him getting into the role of any character.
thank you
Like the
so
first
much.
person will I pick up, like I'll pick for my videos will be like Janol, definitely.
Yeah, he's a good actor.
So, thank you so much.
He's a
Thank you so
fantastic
much for this.
More than
And
an actor,
then,
he's a good human. But more than an actor, he's a good human being. Huh?
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. It is really glad to get compliment from you, the director.
But let me tell you, when we did the shoot for that movie, for that song, Bobby, Rosie also acted very well as Dimple Kapadia.
I will like to say on that we have a new member, this Rosie. I'd like to welcome her in our group, and she is doing a really good job. And
Yes.
in the Bobby song, like you said, that was out of the box.
So well she
enjoyed.
did. So well she did it. Rosie, would you like to say something about that song?
My goodness. I was so worried firstly. I'm not a dancer. I don't know how to dance. I can just do the wedding dance, the Ganpati Visarjan dance, all of that. I can't. And to be very honest, it was the first time that I actually danced, and it was on the YouTube. So I was very
Yes,
scared. I was talking to a lot of members. I was taking their videos also, just to see how they are doing, how I should do. So it was all a learning process. I enjoyed a lot. Troubled everybody at home to take my videos. So my brother has come up with a tripod for me already. So it's like, you put on your camera, do everything yourself. Don't keep troubling us. So yeah, learning process is very nice. I'm happy to be a part of this group.
Very good.
With-
So it's like
I would like-
challenge.
I would like to say one thing.
yes.
That Mr. Errol is filled with lot of passion. He's a passionate guy. He will make a person do such things that he has never done in his life. Like he has not done acting, he has not done singing, he has not done dancing. He'll make that person dance, sing, act,
Yeah.
everything. I've seen this guy. Like he works very hard behind the cameras, really hard. People appreciate those who are in front of the camera, but people forget to appreciate the people who are behind the cameras also as well. which I feel this is what people lack. But if the actors and if the people who are acting in the movie anything, they are getting like 100%. I feel the director, the producer, and the people behind the camera should also get 100% appreciation also for that. Right?
Definitely. I agree
We
with you.
always
Anish, I agree
portray
with
what
you.
the director is.
Thank you.
We always portray we are doing 100%
He will-
by only acting, and but the director, the producer, the backstage team, everybody puts in the 200% to give us everything that we need. So
He will scold, he'll scream, he'll say anything, but he'll make you do that.
Oh my
thank you
God.
so much sir, to make me dance also.
So I always thought that you all were getting angry with my screaming and my shouting, but I'm happy that you all take it lightly.
No, it's nothing like that. We all are learning, sir, from you as well as from the entire team. It's a learning experience. Really great. This conference has really been fruitful as you all joined with me. So our viewers will definitely gain a lot. Thank you so much.
General, sir,
Thank
General,
you.
sir,
Thank you.
1 minute,
Yes.
1 minute. Okay. I would like to thank Janol sir for hosting this chat show. As Anish said, that Janol is a multi-talented guy. Janol is a good writer. Janol is a good actor. Janol is a person who is very committed and very honest in his work. And above all, Janal is a very good human being. And Janal, thank you for being a part of Samapit Kalamandal. Thank you, Janal.
Yes, sir. Yes. It's my pleasure to being with you all. So with this, I'll conclude with the Zoom conference.
1 minute.
Yes.
I'd like to thank.
Sir, she has a class. Rosie has a class, so we need to
It's
conclude.
okay. I can,
Give me 2 seconds.
I can
2
have
minutes.
5 minutes.
Okay.
I would
So
also
can I
like
add
to thank,
Janol was the person who got me to the group? Do you want me to add that?
you say it. Huh? 1, 2, 3, say.
So as we are just chit chatting, so I would just like to say this that Janold was the person who also got me to this group when he saw my
Yes,
Instagram
yes.
videos, and
Yes.
he thought I would be I would do better if I joined this group. So I would really want to thank Janold for making me known to the group, introducing me to the group. And I would also like to talk about Errol sir, since everybody's doing it, that even when sir gave me a call, he was like, I didn't even think that I was talking to a person for the first time. We just went on talking about what sir was doing or what I was doing in my life. And it happens very few that we talk to a person and we keep talking without even keeping that particular relation, or he's a director or I'm just a student. So being such humble and being one of the best directors of the best plays that happened. So thank you so much, sir, for readily putting up people in the group, no matter they're talented, not talented, but then bringing out the best from us. So thank you so much.
Thank you, Rosie. I'm extremely happy to have you in our group. And one thing I want to say is that Rosie is a very talented girl, and definitely the Samapit Kala Mandal is going to benefit a lot. Now coming to our last speaker, Anish. Anish and myself are buddies from the gym. We generally meet on the floor and we talk. Anish is a very sincere, very honest, and a very frank person. And above all, he's a very good human being. Anish is very hardworking. I see if he takes up a project in his hand, he does his best. Whenever I give him a video for editing, he sends me a copy of it, and then I say, Anish, it's good. But Anish says, no, sir, something is missing in it. And then again he takes it back. And then again he sends it to me, makes certain changes. So which shows Anish is a perfectionist. He's a perfectionist. And Anish, definitely your presence in the group is a boon. Is a boon. And I'd really like to thank you for the efforts, for the hard work that you do for our group. A big thank you. And thank you, buddy.
Thank you so much
So I would like to add here.
for this opportunity.
What I have observed
Please,
Anish in the
please.
group is he's readily taking up corrections. even if when there are small errors, everybody makes mistakes, small errors, and if anybody from the group just gives him a suggestion to change it, he readily does that always. So yeah, you said it rightly. He wants to be perfect, and he does not feel bad if anybody is correcting him, but takes it very positively. So that's one thing that we all can learn.
Yes, definitely.
We are not like, thank you so much for all this. Like, we are not perfect, so we are learning from our mistakes also. That is a like very important thing. Thank you,
we
Mr.
learn-
Arun.
Yes, we learn from the mistakes. Very rightly said. Keep it up. The entire group of SKM will be shining in coming days. More of keep the sparks on. Sparks, which I always say. Being like a spark with chingari, इसको बोलते हैं हिंदी में. You call it chingari. Sparks on, spread it, and enlighten the world. Very good. Thank you so much being a part of this world.
Thank you so much. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Thank you, Anna. Thank you.
With this, I sign off. Stay home, stay safe. Peace.
Peace.